Hey everyone, you want to make a professional logo for your business? In this video, I'll show you how you can make a logo without hiring a logo designer. This is Fiverr Logo Maker. So there are so many options. You can make a logo in a few clicks. So see the full video and make your logo easily. So this is Fiverr Logo Maker. I'll show you how you can make a logo easy way. So first of all, I will add this link on my description below. You can use this and you will find this page. So we will select our business, like our restaurant business, our health business, any type of business we can use this our business name. Like my business name is bestfree.com. This is my business. Then I'll click on there. Then they will ask you what is our slogan. So our slogan is best high high quality product for everyone. This is this is our slogan. You can use your slogan. So then you will add next. Then they will ask you select your industry. You will add your industry like health, restaurant, any types of. So my is health and health food. You can use your category, no problem. And you can use add element you have like your logo to include. You can add a dog element or book element or sun element, any type of, like I add health element. And they will ask you minimalist, hand drawing, 3D, which types we want. So I want minimalist. You can use any type. They will you can select. I will select minimalist. You can like minimalist, hand drawing, 3D, geographic, vintage, any types of. So I'll add minimalist. Then I'll add next. So they will also define your brand personality, which one, accessibility, premium, what is I want. So everything you can select. I don't change anything. I'll make my logo. They will make a logo for me. I can select this is my brand name and slogan. They make already so much logo for me, like this one. There are so many options. Then this one, then this one. So I choose anyone, like then this one. So I chose this one. Anyone I can choose. You can see they will use my name and my slogan, everything include on my logo. Then this one. So I choose one for me, like, so anyone you can choose and you can, yeah, anything. So I see which one is better for me for business. I find. So there are so much logo, so many logo, and I can change. I can change and logo. I can hire anyone, or I can change anything. I can include any brief for my logo. I can add this. So I don't add any brief. Just I choose my logo. Wait. So I choose a logo for me. I'm waiting. Okay, this one is enough. This one I can choose like, or I can customize this. So then you can see this logo include our brand cuff and business card and social media post. Any type of, there are so much option or anything. Then I can, if I choose this, then I can buy and or download. I can buy this one. So we can buy this one for only high quality paint logos. Is just use one section. So they will take. If we take for use our website, social media, print, branding, everything, so they will take $60, or they will take $90 unlimited. We can use unlimited and many times, any type of we can use, so they will take $90. So this is tips for we can make our logo, we can change, we can do everything. So this video will help you. Please like, share and subscribe our video. I will add this link on my description below. So if it will help you, please like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you.